If you're looking to streamline your business planning and gain a competitive edge, then the AI Business Plan AI software could be the game changer you need. In this review, I'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful tool, and by the end, you'll know exactly how it can help you level up your business strategy. Stick with me till the end, because I'll reveal the features that really set this software apart from the rest, and there's a special free trial link in the description for you to test it out yourself. So, first things first. AI Business Plan is designed to take the guesswork out of creating a business plan. Gone are the days of struggling to find the right structure or content. This AI-powered tool offers pre-built templates that can instantly generate a custom business plan based on your input. What sets it apart is the ability to integrate market research and financial forecasting, giving you a comprehensive roadmap. The software doesn't just help you write, it helps you think through your plan. AI Business Plan. AI analyzes your business model and suggests improvements based on current market trends. Whether you're in e-commerce, tech, or a service-based industry, this software customizes its advice to match your specific niche. And it's fast. What might take weeks of research and drafting, the software does in minutes. Another standout feature is its adaptability. AI Business Plan isn't rigid like traditional templates. It evolves based on the feedback you give it. If you're unsure about a certain section, the AI provides recommendations and even helps you revise your plan in real time. It's like having a professional business consultant at your fingertips, available 24/7. Now, one of the most exciting features of AI Business Plan AI is its forecasting tool. For any business to succeed, predicting financial outcomes is key. This software uses historical data to project realistic growth and income scenarios. By feeding in just a few key metrics, it generates a set of financial forecasts that can help you understand potential risks and rewards. Of course, no tool is complete without a user-friendly interface. The interface of AI Business Plan AI is clean and intuitive, making it easy for even the most tech-averse entrepreneur to use. Navigating through the platform is simple, and with everything organized in a step-by-step format, there's no guesswork involved. As we get deeper into the software, you'll notice another feature that's worth mentioning: the collaboration tools. If you're working with a team or sharing your business plan with investors, AI Business Plan lets you invite others to view and edit the plan in real time. This eliminates back and forth emails and makes collaboration seamless. Let's talk about the AI's accuracy and intelligence. The tool isn't just pulling out random information, it's analyzing a vast database of market trends, successful business plans, and financial models. The AI makes suggestions based on industry-specific data, so the business plan you generate will be not only polished, but also highly relevant to the current market landscape. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try AI Business Plan for free through the link in the description below. This is your chance to explore the features yourself and see how it can assist you in planning your business effectively. After reviewing hundreds of AI software tools, I found that this one stands out for its reliability, versatility, and user-centered design. If you're still looking for more options, check out my other AI software recommendations in the description below. I've spent countless hours testing these tools to bring you the best for business development, and I'm confident you'll find something that suits your needs. Give AI Business Plan AI a try, and let me know what you think in the comments. Happy planning.